And our head of Public Service, Felix Koskei, has directed national government administration officers to work in synergy with their security committees to fight the trade and consumption of illicit brews and drugs. Now, speaking when he held a consultative engagement with professionals from Viga County, Koskei said that drug abuse is destroying the Kenyan society and asked the officers to rid the country of the menace. Now, Koskei challenged the professionals drawn from various fields to take an active role in shaping the future of the country by championing visionary, accountable and transformative leadership. He said that as opinion leaders and agents of change, the professionals have a critical responsibility to influence governance, strengthen institutions and drive sustainable development at the grassroots.
It is becoming elusive, but you need to have strategies of disrupting every time. Disrupting transportation, disrupting brewing, disrupting sales, disruption. So that one, I want to pass this message to the Viga NGAO leadership. Please, weka pressure.